GATmatic GM-720A Operation Guide. Open the rear door of the machine. Remove the transport bolts. Open the blue and red valves on the refrigerant cylinder. Close the rear door. Connect the red hose to the HP port and the blue hose to the LP port. Connect the quick couplers, red to red, blue to blue. Hang the quick couplers on the designated holder. Connect the power supply and turn on the machine. Add refrigerant. Connect the blue hose to the external refrigerant tank port. Select vacuum function to evacuate hoses. Open the refrigerant tank valve after the pipeline is evacuated. Select Supply Main Tank in the System menu. For first-time use, ensure there is at least 4 kilograms of refrigerant in the internal tank. Close refrigerant tank valve when prompted. The machine will automatically recover the remaining refrigerant in the hose. Connect the quick couplers to the vehicle with the HP-LP coupling valves closed. Run the vacuum function to remove air from the hoses. Select the flushing function and open the HP-LP coupling valves. Before charging refrigerant, activate the vacuum function again to ensure the AC system is properly evacuated. Check the refrigerant capacity and oil type specified in the engine compartment label. Set the amount of new oil and start the process. Set the flushing time and vacuum time. Set the oil fill amount, oil filling mode, and refrigerant amount. Press Enter and wait for the automatic process to complete. If the oil filling mode is set to manual, add the oil manually when prompted. Detailed operation data can be printed. Close the red valve first. Start the vehicle and let the AC system run for a short time. Close the blue valve and then disconnect the hoses.